So I figured it was time to make a charging wall, since I've taken the plunge to the dark side of cordless tools. But the Makita has no mounting holes or eyelets or anything. So what I've done is I've mapped out where these rubber feet are, marked that out on my plywood, pre-drilled and countersunk those holes from the back. Now I'm just going to pre-drill through the rubber there, put these feet back in. And now using some number 6 1.25" screws through this 3/4 plywood, just get them started so I can locate the feet. And this screw will expand that rubber foot and hold it on just nice. There we go. Wall-mounted charger. Not coming off of there.